Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about loop in C. So before understanding the loop, first I wanted to ask one question to you. I wanted to print from 1 to 10 digit. How we can print? We can print here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. Like I wanted to print hello world at 10 times. So how it's possible to print in C? We cannot write this many things, na? Hello world, hello world, hello world, hello world 10 times. So how we can write in one statement? So for that repeating something we want to execute multiple times, then we need loop. Loop, what it will do, you have to write one time this hello world and it will print multiple times. Okay, so let's have one example of loop in C. First we need to check, because in C programming we have different types of loop. So we have for loop, while loop and do while loop. So how we are writing for loop in coding? So this is the syntax for initialization statement, then here test expression, then update statement. Okay, so here you need to give initial value from where you need to start. Here you need to put some conditions how long it should be run, and here you need to increment or decrement. Same thing in while loop. We have one text expression, we need to put initial value, then here we need to put some statement to execute, then here update how much it got printed. So here you need to increment or decrement. And in do while loop, first we have to start printing, then here update, then here we'll check conditions. Okay, so that's what in C we call that there are only two types of loops. First one is entry control loop. Entry control loop is for loop and while loop, because while we are executing any statement, first we are checking that entry level we are checking. Okay, but in do while loop, while code is going to exit, that time we are checking the condition. So do while loop also called as exit control loop. So we can see one by one. Let me open my Visual Studio Code and I'll make here one folder loop in C. Okay, now here I'll need to create one file, right, for loop.c as include studio, then man. Now I want to print in a is equal to 0, and here we need to use for loop. Okay, for loop, here we need to print some statement, print hello /n. Okay, you can print here anything, whatever you want. Just print my name is ABC. Okay, so here is asking the value. Okay, so here value is 0. We need to either you can use, we have used here A, so we can put it here A, and A also here. Then how much it should run? It should run up to 10 times, then A plus plus. Okay, is that fine? Yes, we need to semicolon. Save it and run. It will execute up to 10 times. See, my name is ABC, my name is ABC. And if you are not going to use this for loop, then how will print 10 times? You cannot write the my name is. You cannot write this kind. One, then again you need to print. This is not allowed. Is useless. Is ABC. So better we can use the for loop. Okay. So you understood the for loop. Now we'll check here, like initial value I have given a for 0, then it should be at 10, then a plus plus here. This variable name I have assigned here a, so that's what I'm writing here a. Now I'm going to print table of a. Okay, percentage d comma. So what I can do, I'll multiplying with 2. So if 1, then it will print 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So okay, let me use here /n. I don't want to use this, I don't want to write this thing, so it will print directly that table, because here it's printed. See, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. If it will start from 1, then it will print up to 10. 9 is printing. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so if you want to execute table of 2, then you need to multiply with here. It will execute. Here we can write is equal to, because this condition is saying that it is greater than 10. Okay, now it will print up to 10. See, 2 4 6 8 10 16 20. Okay, if I'll put it here 1, then it will print 1 to 10. So now you can print a table here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 10. You can use 4 tables easily. You can print it here. See, 4 8 12 16 and till 40. Okay, this is the power of for loop. You can print anything. Now we can use the while loop. Okay, so let me create another file. While loop.c. What here we need to take one value, a is equal to 1 semicolon. So as we have seen while loop conditions, so first we need to use while. Okay, here we need to put condition. So a greater than equal to 10, then here we have to print percentage d slash n comma a multiply with 1 semicolon, then here I need to increment semicolon. Okay, so this is our while loop. So in while loop also it will print the table. We can use by using while loop also. Okay, print f. See, with while loop also we can execute 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and here you can, if you wanted to use multiply with any table, then I am going to print through table. You can use here. See, here it's getting print 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 24 27 30. Okay, so this way we can do. In what is the difference between in for loop and while loop? While loop, we are first checking the conditions, then we are printing, then we are incrementing. Okay, like first time it will print here 3. For a value is 3, sorry, a value is 1 and we are multiplying with 3, so it will be a print 3. Then next time what will happen, it got increment, so next time a value become 2, so 2 into 3, it becomes 6. Okay, so next time this become 3, first time 1, second time 2, then 3, so 3 in 9. Okay, so like in here it's happening. First 3, then 6, then 9, 12. How it's happening internally? A value, how much we have given condition, a value should be greater than equal to 10. Okay, it should not become more than 10. Okay, so at last equal to 10, while this got increment up to 10, so 10 into 3 is equal to 30. 9. So as I have earlier told, first time when this loop will get execute, a value will be 1 and this a multiplying with 3, so is got printed 3. Now a value got increased, it got increased, so again it came here and its check condition was true, and then this a value was 1, then here it became 2, second time it became 2 and 2 got multiplied with 3, so it becomes 6. Then this time at second time this value become 3, so it comes here a value 3 and is checked, it was condition was true, again came here and 3 into 3 got 9, and this time it become 4 and 4 here come here again and is checked, it was condition was true, and again it comes here and 4 3 12 is got printed. So we have done while loop and we understood the while loop. Now we have to check do while loop condition, how it's work. So let me create another file, do while .c. Again here we have to use same thing and we'll check int a is equal to 1. Okay, Now in do, first what we are not checking anything, at last do, and here we are going to check the conditions. What condition? A greater than equal to 10, and here we are writing the statement, printing statement. Slash n comma a, because we are going to multiply with something, a into 1. Okay, now here we need to increment a plus plus semicolon, then save it. So in do while loop it will work same, but at last, till that everything goes right, it will get execute. At when it would get false, it stop. So here also it's printed 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Again you can use 5 table. If you want to print 5 table, it will get printed. Okay, here 5 10 15 16 30 up to 50. So what is happening here? Same what I have told for for loop and while loop, same thing happening here also. Only at last when condition get false, here it terminate. Okay, so first time a value will be 1, so it comes here do, it will print a into 5 and it got increment. Again it will 2, a value become 2 5 10. Okay, up to when this condition got false, up to 50, this time a become 10. Okay, 10 into 5 50, this time it's got false and it's got terminated. Okay, so that's what is stop working. And suppose you want to print something infinite loop. Okay, so infinite loop, what you can do? Nothing, you need to just put semicolon here, that's it. This value will print up to infinite times. You cannot stop this value, you cannot kill the value. See, it's getting print, you cannot, you have to stop, you have to kill this program itself, otherwise it will printing entire whole life. So I have stopped this. I hope you understood the for loops, while loop and do while loop in C programming. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please let me comment below. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.